Gorilla Tag no Wi-Fi part 2. It's unable to authenticate your Oculus account. It still says Oculus, not Likewise, so thank goodness. So, no dog for me to grab. Dog, come here. It's sad, bro. Let me grab you. But I'm gonna try to get to tutorial. I can, cause off video. When I wasn't filming, I did it, bro. I did do it. Why? Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just being bad right now, I don't know why. Yeah. On Halloween. Enter connection error, that's it. Enter. Ah yes, I'm entering connection error. Ah yes, my favorite place, connection error. Don't y'all like going to connection error? Bro, how? Okay. I couldn't even do it. Hold up. Okay, we want that facing. Okay. I think my game hates me. It knew what I was trying to do. It doesn't want to face up. No internet be like.
Wait. What the hell? Get up. Get up a little tempo. Can't you hear me quickly? I don't know what's going on with you. You listen.
Wait, is it slippery? I thought this would be slippery, bro. Ain't no slippery balls up here. Bruh. I could just tell. I feel like I could do this, but I can't. Wait. What if I... Oh. They escape. Prevent it. They made it so we couldn't escape. Man. I think I could do it. Why am I going down? How come I can wall run, but... How can I wall run but not do this? Bro! I want to get on top of the map. This game is broken. Do you think this will work? I think this will work. Yeah, I don't want to do that.